I was leaving Randy's Children's Hospital. My son had just got admitted for an asthma attack. I'm headed over to go meet my baby girl that had just been born. The car struck the side of my car and I go spinning out of control.
It hit the center median.
Wow.
If it wasn't for that wall, Your Honor, I could have been dead.
Plaintiff Casey Cuyyugan claims the defendant caused a car accident that turned her life upside down. She's suing for $5,000 for expenses associated with the accident. Defendant Fundi Enjani claims he's not the one who caused the accident.
Please
He
raise your right
says he
hand.
owes nothing.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Thank you. The Honorable Judge Jerry Springer now presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Najee. How are you?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Good.
This is case number 060 on the docket.
Okay.
Cuyyugan versus Enjani.
Thank you, and
You're welcome,
welcome
Judge.
to both of you. We have here the plaintiff, Casey Cuyyugan, and you are suing the defendant, Fundi Enjani, for $5,000 for car damage, rental costs, and car payment due to a car accident. Let's begin with you, Casey.
My vehicle was involved in an auto accident. The defendant had collided with my vehicle.
Were you driving the car?
I was not. A friend of mine had borrowed my
okay.
car.
Were you in the car?
I was not. I was not there.
You're here as the plaintiff because it's your car that was damaged.
Correct, and I'm the registered owner. It was impacted on driver's side. From there, it did a nice spin on the freeway and then stopped. The defendant's car also, I believe, spun out, and it hit the center median.
Wow.
There were witnesses, and the police arrived, and the police made a police report. So the whole back
Yeah,
side
okay.
of the driver's side of the vehicle was damaged. It was
Yes.
smushed in and needed to be replaced. So there's damage to the left quarter panel. The bumper covers needed to be replaced. Back tire and rims were destroyed. So there was just a lot of damages in that part. His insurance assumed full liability, 100% liability for the accident,
How much was the damage to your car?
approximately $8,500.
And you have submitted here the estimates
Oh, yes.
and the costs, yes. And that gets to 8,000 something. Okay, then what?
Because the damages exceeded the policy limits, they only were able to offer $5,000.
I would like to say, first of all, by starting saying that she wasn't even there. One. Two,
Right, yeah.
I was leaving Randy's Children's Hospital. My son had just got admitted for an asthma attack. So I'm at Randy's Children's Hospital. I leave my son there because he had to stay. Get on the freeway, I-8 traveling east. I'm in my second lane from the far left. Mind you,
Yes.
she's not there. I'm headed over to Grossmont Hospital to go meet my baby girl that had just been born for the first time.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that.
I'm
Yeah.
driving, normal speed limit. I noticed a car. I don't know if he was trying to get off the exit, and I was in his exit, but he tried to get back in lane, and it struck the side of my car, and I go spinning out of control.
This is according to you. Oh, the plaintiff came up from behind. Let me try that again, okay? Here it comes from behind, and it's from the right side. Okay, that is how you saw the accident.
Yes, sir.
Now, I understand you had one sick child that you were leaving in the hospital, and you were racing, or at least excited about getting to the next hospital to see your other baby born. So that's the mindset that you're in. Now, the plaintiff has submitted the police report, and the police found, and the insurance company found you responsible for the accident. You changed lanes.
I object to that because I wasn't changing lanes at all. I didn't change lane. He just came from the side and just bumped the side of my car, and I was spinning out of control. I didn't have not one person come up to me and ask me what happened. None of that. And when the police showed up to the scene, he just showed up to the scene and asked me, "Am I all right?" And he just took off to go talk to the other person.
What did the driver say to you, Casey?
The driver had explained to me the situation. He actually called immediately after, actually when the police were on their way.
Yeah.
They were just arriving. And he explained to me exactly what happened. And then I had spoken to him after that, and he did say that, that there were witnesses. He got the witnesses' names and phone numbers, and that if they needed to be contacted, that they were all more than willing, as the witnesses gave statements to the police officers.
And we have here in the police report that witness statement indicating exactly what the plaintiff just said, that the witness observed you coming up and then swerving to your right. So we have the witness's observation and statement to the police and the police report and the insurance company. You know, just as a human being, I can understand that there's a lot going on in your mind right then. But if we have the witness's observation and report, the police report, and the insurance company, your own insurance company, I think if your insurance company had any thought that it wasn't your fault, insurance companies are not very happy to be paying out money when they think there's a chance they won't have to. So based on that, I find for the plaintiff in the sum of $5,000.
Thank you, Your Honor.